back to my channel. We're at it again with another video. Guys, I know that last video that I put out, a lot of you guys were commenting, it's so sad, it was making you cry, yada yada yada. I know it was so sad. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my last video. I pranked my nugget that I was leaving and he had to stay at home alone. But yeah, it was a heartbreaking video. So this video, as you read in the title, is going to be a little bit more uplifting. I'm trying to make up for the last video, so I decided to do a good, funny, playful prank on my nugget. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill his room with balloons. I have so many balloons. I have a pump to blow them up. I just don't know how long it's gonna take me. So you guys are gonna watch me. I'm gonna probably speed it up, but you guys are gonna watch me try and attempt to blow all of these up. I got the regular size balloons and then I got these massive big balloons. I'll try to link where I got everything down below, but I'm basically gonna fill his room with balloons and get his reaction. And yeah, if you haven't already, pause, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, turn the bell on, like, share, do all that good stuff. Comment down below any suggestions of any more pranks that you want me to do, or just random videos that you want me to do with my nugget. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm out of breath. I gotta go blow these balloons up, so let's go. All right, you guys, so I'm in my nugget's room, as you can tell. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So first thing, a pump. I got it on Amazon. I'll try and link it down below. It's for me to just blow up all these balloons. And now that I'm looking at it, I don't even think I got enough balloons, but oh well, we're still gonna do it. Let's see how much we can get in this room. I have super big ones. I mean, look how huge these are. Can you even see that? They're so big. Wow, they're so cute. All right, so we got those. We got these. We got these. All right, we just got a whole bunch, okay? So we're just gonna start and wish me luck. I'm gonna probably speed this up. Let's do the first one. This is gonna suck. There's no way. I'm gonna be able to do this. One down, a freaking million to go.
Six hours later.
You guys, I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but this shit right here, I feel like I haven't blown up shit. I have so much balloons to go, and the room doesn't even look that full. But I'm gonna continue. Alright guys, as you can see, we have so many freaking balloons. My lip gloss is all off, probably all over my face. My wig's a mess. I mean, there's some on his bed too you can't see. And no, I'm not even fucking finished yet. You guys thought I was done, but I'm not done. So, we're gonna continue. And yeah, pray for me. Alright guys, I'm done. Your girl's lip gloss is completely off at this point. I ain't even gonna lie, I still have like a good amount of balloons left, like probably like 2 full packs. But a bitch ain't got time. Like, my fingers are numb, my neck hurts. I definitely need a massage after this. I'm gonna show y'all a quick review of how it looks, and then we're gonna get my nuggets reaction. So as you can see, there's balloons fucking everywhere. I mean, look at this. It's freaking madness. Bebe!
Yes.
I got a surprise for you, Poppy!
A surprise?
Yes, are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, when I say go, you're gonna open your door, but you have to hurry up and go in when you open it. Like, just go. Just go in there, okay? I'm gonna come right after you. Okay?
Okay.
Ready, set, go! Go in there fast! Go all the way in there! Go, baby! Wow! What is it, Papito? It's a balloon party! What the heck? Look at your bed! Go see, go up there! What is this?
This is crazy.
What, Bebe?
Wow, this is crazy.
It's crazy. Look at the big one. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look big.
What do you think? Is Mama nuts? Look at the green one. Isn't this your favorite color? Wow, this is bigger than you, Beba. Look, just hold the balloon up real quick so they can see how big it is. Ready? Hold it. It's bigger than you, baby. But you guys, so as you can see, I guess it was a success. My nugget is so happy. He was so surprised. We had lots of fun. I think I'm just going to leave these balloons in here for a couple of days before we pop them all. They actually gave us these little dart things to pop them, which were really cute. So I'm going to have him pop them with me if he's not scared. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social media. Do all of that good stuff, you guys. Comment down below any other video suggestions that you guys want to see. And that does it for this video. Peace. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Having fun.
You're having fun? Tell them bye.
Bye.